Mastering Turkey Cooking, Time per Pound Guide.
Hello, viewers. Today we'll tackle a common question when preparing one of the most beloved meals, the turkey. Whether you're prepping for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or just a nice family dinner, knowing the right turkey cooking time per pound is crucial. And today, we will help you master this skill, ensuring your bird is cooked to perfection, juicy and delicious.
What is the average cooking time for a turkey per pound in the oven?
When it comes to cooking turkey, many factors can affect the cooking time, such as the size of your bird, whether it's stuffed or unstuffed, and the specific temperature you're using. However, as a general rule, you should plan for unstuffed turkey, about 15 minutes per pound at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. Stuffed turkey, about 20 minutes per pound at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. These times can vary, so always use a food thermometer to ensure your turkey has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, in the thickest part of the thigh, without touching the bone.
Why does the cooking time vary?
Cooking time can vary based on several factors. Size of the turkey. Larger turkeys take longer to cook through to the center. Oven calibration. Not all ovens heat at exactly the rate they claim to, so if your oven runs hot or cold, this can affect cooking time. Starting temperature of the turkey. If your turkey is at room temperature before you begin cooking, it can cook faster than if it's straight out of the fridge. To achieve the best results, always use a meat thermometer to ensure your turkey is safely cooked.
Any additional tips for cooking a turkey?
Absolutely. Here are a few tips to make sure you cook your turkey to perfection. Thaw your turkey completely before cooking to ensure even heating. Baste your turkey every 45 minutes to an hour to keep it moist and flavorful. Let your turkey rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the bird, ensuring a moist turkey. And that's your guide to the average cooking time for a turkey per pound in the oven. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to a perfectly roasted turkey that's sure to impress. Thanks for joining us today, and happy cooking!